Hello and welcome to SDSC Specialist Cars. This is our video review of our 2012 Peugeot RCZ 1.6 THP GT, top of the range. Been really well looked after this car, only one owner. Full service history with this as well. The only fault we've got at the moment is the sat-nav screen has an intermittent fault. It's to do with the cable. I have googled it and it's quite a common fault on these, so we will try and get it fixed, but can't promise that we can do that. Will be reflected in the price if we can't. However, let's have a look around the car, because like I say, she is lovely. I'm a bit divided with my friend on this because I think this car is the mutts. I think it just looks absolutely stunning. I love the shape, but he's like, no, it's ugly. What does he know? Because I think it's stunning. Anyway, front wing here, all really lovely, as is the front wheel there, spot on. We're just about to put a couple of new tyres on there as well, so she'll have 2 new tyres on the front. Coming along the driver's side, again, no marks or scratches or anything. That fabulous double bubble roof, look at that. That's why I say, how can you not like this car? It's just fab. And it's a 1.6, so it's really economical. And it's really fast because it's got a turbo. Front wheel there, rear wheel there, absolutely spotless, no marks on that one. Around the back of the car, we've got the parking sensors on there. There's a tiny little mark, looks like it's had a tiny scuff. It's just been touched in, just on there. You can hardly see it, but it is just on there. Very, very tiny. It has been touched in. Going round the corner here, lovely. Just love that roof line, look at that. I bet there's insurance companies that cringe when those windows get broken. Rear wheel there, lovely and clean. A little bit of light curbing just around the outside edge, but very, very minimal. Not a lot to worry about there. Along the passenger side, again, lovely. And the front wheel there, again, really clean, just a very tiny bit of curbing just on the edge there, but other than that, spotless. Around the front, headlights are lovely and clear, super shiny. I mean, it looks brand new from the front. Parking sensors on here as well, supplied by Robbins and Day Peugeot of Chelmsford. Like I say, one owner this car, no stone chips or anything on there. Now inside we've got the full black leather interior, which really does look like it's not been sat in. We've got the Peugeot logo embossed in the seat there, look at that. Lovely, look at that seat. Like I say, she doesn't look like she's been sat in. You see up here, she's covered 56,771 miles, you can see that on there. And we've got lots of toys in here as well. So we've got the cruise control down there, climate control, obviously navigation and everything else. As I say, the screen a little bit intermittent. And we've got media center controls there, that's rear spoiler, 12-volt socket. Everything in here, like the center armrest, everything has this sort of matte sheen, you know, that sort of new look. The dashboard, I love the stitching, look at the stitching on the dashboard. It's just fab. You know, that's the stuff you get in Ferraris. And in the back, there's 2 seats, designed 2 adults and 2 handicapped midgets. I shouldn't say that, really, it's not very politically correct. Yeah, there's not a lot of leg room in the back, that's what I'm saying. Driver's door card, all absolutely lovely, look at that. And also we've got the JBL sound system in here too. That's a nice upgrade. Coming round the back of the car, the original car mat's in there. The boot's lovely and clean. It's quite a big boot actually, you get a lot in there. Half a dozen sets of golf clubs, if it took your fancy. And then the passenger side. And the passenger seat really does look like it's not been sat in. It's got memory option as well on the driver's seat. Heated seats both sides as well, all electric. There's the dashboard there. And then coming round under the bonnet, find the catch, it's here somewhere, there we are. That little 1.6 turbo engine. Same engine is fitted to the Minis. So yeah, they have the same Peugeot engine, really good little engine, but look under there, I mean, all the little nuts and bolts and everything is all spotless. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Look at that. And there we have it. That's our video review of our 2012 Peugeot RCZ 1.6 THP. Should you have any more questions, please give me a call. My name is Stuart and our website is www.sdsc.co.uk. Many thanks for watching.